Hello everybody and welcome back to another Weather Guide video. Today we're going to be talking about Winter Storm Eboni. First, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video if you enjoy. And also, you are probably watching this video on YouTube. But if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll leave the link in the description below. Now let's get right on into it. So you can see the low is in Colorado, and it's going to start moving north and then dip south and then come back up. Now you can see a small swath of snow right here. Well, that's going to keep moving north, but then you can see this explodes with this area of thunderstorms in the south. That's where you're going to see areas like eastern Nebraska that's in rain picking up some snow totals because of this just line of snow that's just going to set up right there and then just deliver a lot of snow. Then it just moves off. So the main area that we're watching is right over here. Kansas, Nebraska, because that's where we're going to be seeing our blizzard conditions, where these lines are really close. Well, what's the snow totals? Well, here are your snow totals. You can see in Kansas, you can see 6 inches there, 6 inches there. Then up here you have a wider swath of 6 inches. Some area you could even see a foot. This is mainly a northern storm, but here is the total accumulated precip from the storm. Look at all this rain, especially in the south. That is really what the south doesn't need. The south has been soaked from the past couple storms, especially Winter Storm Diego. And then we had a storm this past week, a couple storms this past week. They got absolutely slammed with rain. We're even watching some tornado threats in the south. If you get a tornado warning in your area, make sure to take shelter. If you have a tornado shelter or just a basement away from windows or any sharp objects that can really move and hurt you, make sure to stay safe. But then you could also see some heavier snow, where the heavier snow totals are, there's a lot of moisture there. So that means that there's a lot of rain, there's a lot of water in each snowflake. So that means that instead of the light, fluffy snow that you're going to see up in North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, you're going to be seeing the wet snowball packing snow, which is a pain to shovel off of driveways or sidewalks because it's very heavy. So all that water makes the snow heavy. Well, what about the temperatures? Why is it that this area is going to get wet snow and this area is going to get dry snow? Well, it's all because of the temperatures. You can see at the start of the storm, these areas are all well below freezing. You can see like 20 there, 9, 4, 16. All these, and then you're really like right next to freezing over here. So the closer to rain you are, the more water in the snow. Well, these areas are far from rain because you have to climb up 20 to 30 degrees to get to rain. So there's less water in the snow. Whereas these areas, you have to climb up 1 to 2 degrees to get to rain. Well, you're going to get more water in the snow. And that is a common pattern with the storm. that Nebraska, Kansas, these areas are just going to be very close to freezing the entire time until the very end of the storm, when the cold comes down from Canada, and then it makes Nebraska 17, 11, all these colder temperatures as the cold slides to the east with the storm. So that is basically it. And also watching some other Clipper systems, small totals, but this is the main storm this week. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed. And if you really enjoyed, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so I know, well, you know when I post. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and have fun in the snow.